once we have like selected the main niche, we can go and find products to promote, because basically what we are doing here is that we are choosing a main core product. So for me is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and then we need to find supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3. Okay, so let's moving on. The phase number 1 as well is building an automated sales system. So what is that? So if I go here, I'm going to show you this example. So these are my affiliate links, but if I click here, you're going to see, so this is a page that is called a sales funnel. So this is an opt-in page. So this is Jonathan Montoya's opt-in page. And when people go here and click this red button and they write their name, their email, and their phone number, that information is going to go to Jonathan Montoya's email list. And once people go to that email list, they will start receiving emails. For example, they will start receiving for example, today they will start receiving one email, then tomorrow another email, and so on and so forth. People are going to start receiving all this information, and as an affiliate marketers, we do this sales funnel stuff to give value to those people. So basically, in this course, Jonathan Montoya teaches how to build this entire automated sales system. And why is this so important? Well, because we don't know in the future. Now, let's say that we are growing our social media channels like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and all that stuff, but we don't know in the future that if something happens to those channels, and if we lost our social media channels. So what we are building here is this email list that it's important to build that thing in case we lost our social media channels. Okay, now in phase number 1 as well is so here Jonathan Montoya teaches how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos. Although this is a good strategy, I think that it's more important to start creating on YouTube. So if you can build these short videos, it's good, but at the end, guys, it's important for you to have your own YouTube channel and create your own personal brand on YouTube. Now we have here a bonus, phase number 1, how to use Facebook profile funnel to generate leads and sales. So okay, so this is a bonus that Jonathan Montoya has in this course. Then we have the faceless artificial intelligence leads with Colton Evans. So how to create videos using artificial intelligence. Then unlimited leads with Instagram, how to create content on Instagram and send traffic to our automated sales system. Then we have the Facebook Reels with Joshua Smith. So these are all traffic strategies, guys, to drive traffic to our automated sales system. And then we have phase number 2, the automated traffic machine generating leads from YouTube. So this phase is powerful. Why? Because YouTube, guys, so all these commissions, let me show you that you are seeing in the screen. So I have been making these commissions basically from YouTube, and